Hello there, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share to you about the simplifying SURDS. And for your information, this is a lesson 2, and lesson 1 I have uploaded in my channel, and please go through the lesson 1 first before you come and watch this lesson 2, because lesson 1 is your basic about the SURDS fundamental. Okay, in lesson 2, I'm going to simplify SURDS, which is in fraction. Now, example, you have a SURD that you have 4 over negative 2. Okay, how do we simplify this? Is simply multiply with square root of 2 up and down, and make sure you multiply it, and here you'll be getting 2, and above here you'll be getting 4 square root of a 2, and you can simplify further, divided 4 with 2, and you'll be getting that 2 square root of a 2. Okay, now example number 2 here, 1 over square root of 5. Just simply multiply the numerator and the denominator with the square root of 5, which represents square root 5 multiplied with square root 5, you'll be getting 5 here, and above here you'll be getting square root of 5. Okay, now for your information here, if you have square root a over b, this form doesn't need to be simplified further. However, if you have b over square root of a, alright, this form need to be simplified. Okay, now how do we simplify this? Is just simply multiply with what you have here. Okay, if let's say you have b over square root a, you have to multiply with square root of a. Okay, it must be the same. The denominator and what you multiply here must be the same, but remember to multiply up and down. Okay, denominator and also the numerator. So it becomes like b square root of a over a. Okay, so this is your concept of simplifying SURDS in fraction. Okay, as you can see, I multiply with the same denominator up and down. Alright, okay, same goes to here. Square root of 5, I multiply with square root of 5 and square root of 5 over here. Alright, okay, now we go to a little bit difficult question. Okay, now let's say we have 1 over 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, how are we going to simplify this kind of SURDS? Okay, now this is your denominator, alright, so you have to multiply with its conjugate. Okay, conjugate meaning is a 2 plus square root of 3, but remember to multiply both sides up and down. Okay, now this is called as a conjugate. Alright. Okay. To simply understand about conjugate, so let's say we have a basic form of a surd. Like example, I give you 5 here. A plus square root of b. Alright. So here the conjugate of this denominator is a minus square root of b, and you multiply both sides. Okay, conjugate meaning, okay, now you can see here, this is the is the original, is a plus, and the conjugate you have is the opposite sign, which is a minus there. Alright. Okay, this is the conjugate, the meaning of conjugate. Alright, now let us multiply. So, okay, this 2 multiply with the 2, it become 4. Alright, it become 4. And the 2 multiply with a positive square root of 3, it become 2 square root of 3. And minus square root of 3 multiply with 2, you have this. And negative square root of 3 multiply with positive square root of 3, you'll be getting the negative 3. Okay, above here, just multiply with 1, so you can actually write the whole thing here. Okay, now you can see the answer here. Alright, now look at this part. Okay, here, let me use a different color. Alright, let me choose a green color here. Okay, now you look at that. This is a positive and this is a negative, where it will cancel by itself. Alright, it will cancel by itself, and now you have 4 and minus with 3, and your answer is 2 plus square root of 3 over 1, and you can write it as a 2 plus square root of 3, just like that. Okay, let me explain further about multiplying this conjugate. Okay, multiplying this conjugate is similar to multiplying a plus b and a minus b. So at the end here, you will be getting an answer of a square minus b square, and both of these will be cancelled. Alright, so this is the same concept with this, whereby you will be having a multiply with a, you got a square, and b square, square root of b multiply with the square root of b, you'll be getting b, and positive multiply with the negative, you'll be getting your answer negative. Okay, this is your answer here. Okay, let us try few more questions to make us familiar with this concept. Okay, now let us express this 12 4 plus square root of, let's say we just make it into 7. Alright, so normally the questions, right, in your exams will be express this with a rational denominator. Okay, so we have to multiply with its conjugate. So here will be 4 minus square root of 7. We multiply both the numerator and also this denominator. Okay, alright, so here will be bracket 2. Okay, so 12 multiply with the 4, we get 48, and 12 multiply with the square root negative square root 7, you'll be getting minus 12 square root 7. Okay, and then here you got 16 and minus with 7. Okay, so we have your answer 48 minus 12 square root of 7 over 9. Okay, to simplify this further, we can factorize this with 3. Okay, so here you'll be getting 16 and here will be minus 4 square root of 7 and here will be 9, and then you can make it 3 divided by 9, 1, and here you got a 3. So your answer will be 16 minus 4 square root 7 over 3. You have successfully simplified from here to this answer. Okay. Okay guys, in our next video we will be practicing the same concept with the IGCSE past papers. Okay, I hope you learned something after you watch this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to and support us. Thank you very much.